Here's Toybox app 3D print your own toys. Pretty cool idea. Browse thousands of toys printing at your fingertips, so you can just teach your kid to print your toys. The most innovative way for children to create their own toys. Toybox is a 3D printer and companion app that allows kids to find toys and print them at the push of a button. It's simple to get started. Just pick from the hundreds of collection and toys on the Toybox app, select the toy, and press print. So here you have it. And then you can just see the terms of service. And then you can just open it up. And then let's just sign in. So then you just need to add, for example, your birthday. And then which printer you have, Alpha 1, Comet, or Alpha 2 or 3. And then connect your printer. And that's kind of the idea. So yeah, that's just how you get started.